So this video will be about how to export a video as an image sequence in Adobe Premiere. So at first you have to import the file, go on import and just import the video file that you want to export as an image sequence. Then drag the video into the timeline and then and you can do editing if you want in here, like typical stuff. And then when you're finished, go to file, then export, and then media. This will open up a new window, and in there click on format as a PNG, like not H, not just PNG. And then you can also choose the location of the image sequence folder. So let's say I choose this folder as in this folder as the output directory of the image sequences, and click on save. And then you can click on Q if you want to do it later. You can click on export to do it instantly. And yeah, and wait for it to finish. So when it's done, you just go to the folder that you have selected as the output directory, and if you go to the folder, and there you have it. The whole video is exported as an image sequence by Adobe Premiere, and that's how you do it. I mean, that's one way to do it. That's it.